Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shaunak here, and the date is, what date is today, Anish?
18th of April.
18th of April. Wait up, don't go. It will keep saying, please close the door. So it's 18th of April today, and it's a Saturday, and it's afternoon 3:30 p.m. Pretty late afternoon. And on every weekend, we generally go out to bring some essentials. Essentials in the sense milk, sugar, rice, biscuits, refined oil. You know the drill. So generally we go out in a car and we go and we make a list and we go to the nearest grocery store, and you can see the list over here. We go to the nearest grocery store and try to buy as much as we can to stock up to avoid going outside. Anish is wearing the mask. I have a mask down in the car. We are going to practice social distancing, and we are also going to show you how the streets of Mumbai are during this lockdown period. So we are taking the stairs. As you see, Anish is carrying a empty jar can, and we use jar cans for our water, which has ended. Obviously there is water being available because it's an essential service, but the people are not carrying it to our houses. We have to go and carry it ourselves. So that's how we do it. So there's a small CCTV camera. I wonder where Shuklaji, our head of security, is. He's taking his usual afternoon nap or siesta. That's what the Spanish used to say. Sleep, Shuklaji. The other reason to go out on these weekend trips to buy essentials is also to give the car a start. You know, cars, if they sit idle for weeks, the battery may go down and it will be another problem that time. So that's it. So before we start, I'll show this is the mask, which I'll wear the mask. And all set. I remember the days when we used to go and do motor vlogging. Not been seeing it for quite some time now, and I'm sure when all this is over, we'll all go somewhere. Pretty difficult way people park cars over here. I mean, like, oh god, this is going to be tough. Like when you buy the guy on the left, when you buy an SUV, can't you just park it a bit in? See, there's so much space. You could have easily got it in, idiot. Oh god, it's pretty hot. It's April, mid of April. Temperature easily in the late 30s. I mean, the rest of India would always also be like this. Where is Anish? So Anish is here. He has actually went to bring the carry bags, because the shops are not giving carry bags actually, so it's better to preserve the carry bags and carry it on your own. Okay, fine then.
আমি ডিম আর চিকেনটা নিয়ে আসছি।
Okay.
Rice, ডিম, চিকেন তিনটে এখানেই পাওয়া যাবে।
Okay, go get the rice.
You wait over here.
Okay, fine. I'll wait over here. So these are the carry bags. Anish is going to get the rice, egg, and chicken, and we'll then go for the next of the stuff. Pretty much I mean, we were craving to have some chicken, and it's good that the chicken shop is just below our house, so we don't have to go far. But we do have to go a bit far for some other things, such as for example noodles, Maggi noodles, the essential bachelor survival guide, the Maggi noodles or any kind of noodles is not actually being widely available. We have to search a bit. If not for Maggi, other brands such as Nissin, Yippee, all these things are also very scarce, so we have to actually go out for these. There is Anish with the rice, the bread, the milk and cookies. Is it?
So this is most of the essentials we have got.
Okay.
We can get through the week with this.
Okay.
Now let us go for the luxuries.
Luxuries, okay. We are done with it?
Just
So as you can see, me and Anish practice social distancing. He sits in the back while I drive in the front. We don't sit together. Actually, this is a government authorized way. We read in the newspaper that if you sit like this, police won't stop. But if you sit and someone sits in the front, police may stop and ask, why are you loitering?
Right.
Always good to show, compliance in these difficult times. Pretty narrow lanes of Navi Mumbai. What about the chicken?
The chicken will have to get back. The guy doesn't trust that we'll be back.
Why is he like
Even
that?
after telling him that we'll be back by say 4:30, he says आप 5 के पहले के आना वरना नहीं मिलेगा. 5 के बाद नहीं मिलेगा.
ठीक है, fine. We'll have to buy some biscuits or bread for the dogs also.
Yes.
We'll get one more bread.
Okay.
So here is the roads of Navi Mumbai, all deserted. Even the medicine shop is functioning in a shutter down mode. Oh, Raj Ratan, it's open.
Rajarathini is open. We'll get a lot of stuff here.
But shall we go to Mega Mart for?
At Mega Mart there is not much. Let's see. Essentials are available here. So eggs have become a bit more expensive.
How much are eggs?
They are now 64 a dozen.
60.
Till last week they were 54. And even the chicken has become expensive. They now charge $200 for a kilo.
Okay, so as we see, there are. It's not that it's deserted. There are autos are running. Is it? Autos have started running. So it's a change from this weekend. I think autos are being allowed to ply, which is strange given the lockdown is not actually. I mean, it is making some progress, but very small progress of slowing the spread down. I don't know whether the increase in the cases is the result of aggressive testing or is the result of more and more the virus being spread like wildfire.
We can only speculate.
Yeah. Anyway, from 20th of April, our Prime Minister has already said that he will give some relaxation, provided we adhere to the normal norms of social distancing. Is it open? It's open.
And we have parking space.
We have parking space. Obviously, the camera does give a lot of curious looks. It grabs eyeballs, the camera on my head. Did we bring the bags? Well, I'll bring a bag.
Okay.
Oh, it's that side. I'll bring 2 bags.
We have come at a very good time because there's not much crowd and we have
Yep. Auntie, Coca-Cola hai? Cool drinks, thumbs up.
So here you can see toilet paper.
Okay.
In foreign countries, that's the first thing people grab. But
Yep.
Here
it's
quite well stocked.
It's well stocked. It's not considered a necessity.
Not a necessity.
More of a hygiene factor.
Yes.
Not even a luxury in our country. Toilet papers. Aloo, how much you have taken?
It's a kilo each.
1 kilo potted potato, 1 kilo onion.
Onions. पापड़ एक पैकेट दीजिएगा. खाकरा.
पापड़ भी have ना? पापड़ साबूदाना का पापड़ है?
अपने पास खाकरा नहीं है.
खाकड़ा नहीं है. What happened to your khakras? You finished it?
Yeah, it's done for. Maggi का कोई कुछ.
Anish is a Bengali but from the border between Maharashtra and Gujarat. So he has an affinity for khakras, a popular Gujarati snack.
कौन सा
ओ
मशीन?
हाँ, ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है।
ये कौन सा मशीन है?
ये कैमरा है, बस हम लोग ये बस YouTube में डालेंगे कि हम लोग कैसे ज़िंदगी जी रहे हैं,
Vim liquid
ये सब वीडियो।
Vim liquid.
कैन बड़ा 20 लीटर वाला
है ना?
कितने का है? हमारे पास एक कैन है, आप दो इधर है, ले आए,
ले
दिखाऊं?
कितने का रखते हैं पानी?
खाली बोतल दे
70
ओके, अपोज टू 60।
अगर
ओके, खाली बोतल, खाली ड्रम दे रहा है आपको। ओके, so each of these empty cartons or drums carry 20 liters approximately. So yeah, that idiot forgot the drum. What an asshole. Dude, Anish, you forgot the drum. It was lying. We'll bring it. The drum was kept at the side.
and we forgot about it.
Don't worry, we'll bring it once again.
You need any snacks?
Snacks I have, all that. It's still there, so I don't need
But
not.
plan till the next week, till we get back outside.
कौन सा भाई ड्यूटी से हो रही है?
नहीं चाहिए, क्या है इधर, मतलब मैगी, हाँ मैगी कहीं मिल रहा है, मैगी नूडल्स,
मैगी पास्ता है।
निसिन, yippee,
मैगी पास्ता
पास्ता,
मैगी
मैगी
जैसे ही है।
पास्ता है।
हाँ,
We have enough pasta. Are we making them?
मैगी मसाला पास्ता है, मशरूम वाला है।
नहीं पास्ता हमारे पास नहीं है।
पास्ता हमारे पास भी है, लेकिन सादा मैगी नहीं है ना। ठीक है, ये ठीक है।
कोई चलाने के लिए
ये कितने का है? एक 10 रुपए का।
10 वाला।
ठीक है,
हाँ
पूरे
12
कसनी मशीन लगेगी। ये कहीं का है?
क्या
ये कैमरा है, बस
GoPro
हम
बोलते
रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं पूरा। वही कि क्या क्या लेते हैं, कैसे रहना चाहिए, हम कब कब निकलते हैं, वो सब है।
ये
कैसा
दुकान पे-
माहौल है, ये सब
ये
फिर
दुकान पे गया था, उधर लेके आया सब।
ये दुकान पे गया, इधर सब मिलता है नवी मुंबई में। नवी मुंबई सेक्टर कौन सा है? कोपर खिराने सेक्टर 9 का दुकान, मेगा मार्केट, बालाजी मूवी प्लेक्स।
हम लोग इधर ही आते हैं।
हम लोग इधर ही आते हैं, बालाजी मूवी प्लेक्स से 100 मीटर दूर, 100 या 200 मीटर दूर। हाँ आंटी, टोटल कितना हुआ बताओ? आई एम पेइंग दिस।
मार्केट ऊपर में लेना है।
सर मैं कोल्ड ड्रिंक ले लेता हूँ।
यू टेकन द कोल्ड ड्रिंक ना?
I'll carry this.
Put this in.
No, we'll just put it in the car.
Okay, my car has a air cooled glove box which you can use. ठीक है, अच्छा, thank you aunty. You want to keep them cool?
Yes, I want to keep them cool. What is the provision you have?
The provision I have is this.
But the best part is we'll forget that we kept it here and again we'll go up and
Don't worry, we'll not forget.
we have another.
There is a cooling thing. Give. This is a okay. It can take only one bottle.
So the mother stays out.
We have a fridge. Pretty nice feature by Hyundai, Grand Titan's Sports Edition. That second from top.
So next stop is Brajrathan.
Brajrathan, yep. The camera does attract eyeballs.
Yeah. People are curious. And they speak a lot more when they're on camera. What do you say?
Yep. They feel they are getting famous. Autos are running. I'm feeling that normalcy is returning.
Yeah. Soon we'll have kids going to school.
Yep. Soon we'll have me going to office, and soon we'll have me going to Azerbaijan maybe, and you going to Moldova or maybe.
Oh, don't send me to Moldova. But the papads.
Papad is good. This is actually better. This papad actually is not like that, which is besan papad.
Yeah.
This is rice papad.
Yes.
This after frying becomes much bigger,
Right.
and we can have it with tea. I hope we have tea and coffee enough.
Tea, I don't know. Tea, you had said.
I drink tea. I have enough tea.
I have coffee. And we have milk now. I took more Ratan.
This is Rajratan.
This is bananas.
Our go-to stop for fruits and vegetables, which is.
This is bananas, which we'll need.
Let's go bananas.
There's a guy who watched this.
Banana. Oh wow, we have a lot of.
Bhindi again.
Yeah, bhindi is fine. Bhindi is cookable easy. Oh, fruits. Let's take santra. Oranges.
You get bananas.
Yep.
How much bhindi would you want?
1 kilo. 1 kilo lasted a long time.
You want to do it?
Yep.
भैया इलायची ये नहीं ये नहीं है इलायची नहीं है तो खा सकते हैं ना ये
Okay. एक डजन केला. ओके. Santra is a winter fruit, so we are buying it in summer. Obviously, will be expensive. और ये बैंगन कितना? छोटा बैंगन किलो. 21. मुझे छोड़ के. This road used to be so busy, it almost was difficult to cross in the middle of the day. And sometimes when that signal used to, the signal over there used to go red for a long time, there used to be a huge traffic jam till our house. But now,
you will get an ATM or something like that.
now ATM will get one near the Gurudwara. We'll go there. So as I was saying, during the normal days, it used to be all chock-a-block. But look at it now. It's all empty and barren. We are in dire need of cash, so that's why we'll go to an ATM. So because recording is not allowed in an ATM, we'll see you after withdrawing some cash.
So I feel because the banking services have been affected, people are not very enthusiastic about using digital currency.
Yeah, people are frowning if you are paying with them by digital wallets or something.
Maybe they are not saying no, but they will always insist that
On cash.
So the roads are empty. Do you feel the people are speeding?
Yep,
Right?
that's human nature. Roads are not that empty, Generally, the police patrolling is there till 12 p.m.
Yes.
After that, it's all. I was stopped a couple of times. Whenever they see that I am okay with a jug and everything and with bags really going out to shop, they
So
let it.
I'll get this.
There's the jug which we forgot.
Hold the car here.
So we have we're just beneath our house where we started. Our local grocer, Champak Lalji, is open. Let's go and ask if he has water. This is a carton. हाँ, Supreme, Champak Lalji. चंपक लाल जी, एक पानी का ड्रम देना.
55 रुपए लगा देगा ये वाला शेड, एकदम बारीक आएगा. लश्करी कोलम मालूम पड़ेगा.
अब टर्मिनल ई नाम है.
पानी कैसे लेके अभी पता चलेगा.
हाँ, वो भी
इसके लिए लगाया
छोटा चैनल है, कुछ ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं है.
हमको भी दो ना एक.
आईडी अपने दीजिए ना हम लोग.
हाँ करो.
लेकिन वो वाला लाना पड़ेगा ना, वो तो खरीद के.
हाँ
तो अभी रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है.
फिर लैपटॉप में बैठ के काम करना पड़ेगा इसको.
लेकिन इसका कैसे बोले हैं?
आपका कनेक्शन नहीं है.
ये क्या है ना, वो 55 रुपए आएगा बारीक वाला चावल.
इधर वाला दिखाया है.
वो 45 वाला है.
कनेक्शन ऑन कीजिए.
नहीं है जितना होता है.
ये वाला है ना,
कर दिया.
उतना है. इसमें डाला हुआ है.
कर दिया सब्सक्राइब. दोस्तों दिखाते हैं कि कैसे रखते हैं पानी बोतल. एक सेकेंड
जाने का है
हाँ नहीं, वो गाड़ी खोलने से।
सॉरी
It's done. So Anish has taken the chicken. We have taken chicken, water, vegetables, snacks, essentials, everything. Now we are just gonna go and withdraw some money. We are running out of hard cash. So there's nothing much to show you. I think we'll end this vlog here right now. Next time when we return, hopefully it will be a much more exciting vlog. That doesn't mean that this vlog is any less exciting. It has its own unique attraction. So guys, with this I'm ending the vlog. Stay safe, practice social distancing. Thank you guys, bye bye, stay safe.